Welcome. Cleaning and disinfection both are the very commonly used terms in pharmaceutical industry. We will see the difference between these two concepts with reference to below 10 points. First, definition, second, objective, third, mechanism of action, fourth, target areas, fifth, validation, sixth, frequency, seventh, prioritization, eighth, chemicals used, ninth, regulatory requirements, and 10th, focus areas. The very first thing which makes these two concepts different is definition. Definition of cleaning is the process of removing visible dirt, debris and organic matter from surfaces, equipment or facilities to maintain cleanliness. Whereas the definition of disinfection is very different. Definition of disinfection is the process of reducing or eliminating pathogenic microorganisms from surfaces, equipment or facilities to prevent the spread of infections. Second thing which makes these two concepts different is objective. Objective of these two processes is completely different. Objective of cleaning is to maintain a visually clean and tidy environment, removing non-microbiological contaminants, whereas objective of disinfection is to reduce the microbial load on surfaces and prevent the transmission of infectious agents. Here it is important to note that cleaning focuses on clean and tidy environment and disinfection is focusing on prevention or removal of microorganisms or infectious agents. Third point of difference is mechanism of action. In case of cleaning, physical actions such as scrubbing and rinsing are used to remove dirt and grime, whereas in case of disinfection, chemical agents or physical processes like heat are used to kill or inactivate microorganisms. Next is targets of these two processes. For cleaning, we are targeting on removal of visible impurities, dust, dirt and debris, whereas in case of disinfection, we are targeting on pathogenic microorganisms including bacteria, viruses and fungi. Next point is validation. Typically, cleaning processes are validated through visual inspection and swabbing for total organic carbon, that is TOC content or residue analysis. Whereas in case of disinfection processes are validated by demonstrating a specified reduction in the microbial load on surfaces. Sixth point is frequency. For cleaning, regular and routine cleaning is required to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. In case of disinfection, frequency may vary based on the risk assessment, but high touch surfaces and critical areas are disinfected more frequently. Seventh very important point is prioritization or selection or choosing criteria for cleaning or disinfection processes. When it is important for general cleanliness, appearance and preventing cross-contamination from visible debris, we choose cleaning procedure. On the other hand, if it is essential for infection control and preventing the spread of infectious disease, we choose disinfection procedure. Next point is chemicals used in both the processes. In case of cleaning, typically mild detergents and cleaning agents are used, whereas in case of disinfection, stronger disinfectants such as alcohol, chlorine compounds or quaternary ammonium compounds are used to kill microorganisms. Next point is how much regulatory requirements are stringent for cleaning or disinfection procedure. In case of cleaning procedure, mostly follows good housekeeping practices and may have fewer or lesser regulatory requirements. On the other hand, disinfection procedure subject to strict regulatory requirements and guidelines, particularly in the healthcare and pharmaceutical industries. Last difference point is focus area. With this point, you can easily differentiate between the cleaning procedure and disinfection procedure. Cleaning procedure primarily focused on removing visible contaminants and maintaining a pleasant appearance. On the other hand, disinfection procedure primarily aimed at reducing or eliminating microorganisms to ensure a safe and hygiene environment. Keep watching PharmGrow. Subscribe to channel for more videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.